Senate President Chiz Escudero says that the 19th Congress can't impose on the next Congress its decisions regarding Vice President Sara Duterte's impeachment trial. In a press conference on Monday, June 2, Escudero was asked whether members of the 20th Congress could choose not to convene as an impeachment court if they don't see the need to do so. In response, Escudero explains that the 20th Congress will decide on its own in terms of the fate of Duterte's impeachment trial. At the presser, Escudero was also asked whether the scheduled convening on June 11 does not assure that the 20th Congress will pursue the trial. Escudero says this was not the case.
The next Congress can decide in the same manner or in a different manner. Hindi ko sinasabing walang assurance na hindi tutuloy. I'm not saying that. In the ordinary course of events, it should. Unless, magkaiba yung tutuloy kung gusto nila sa tutuloy kung ayaw nila. Hindi tutuloy kung ayaw nila. Magkaiba yun. Bakit magkaiba? In the ordinary course of events, it should. Unless they decide otherwise.
Escudero earlier postponed the presentation of articles of impeachment against Duterte from June 2 to June 11. He says the postponement will allow the Senate to tackle priority legislative measures before the 19th Congress adjourns. Despite this, he emphasizes that while the Senate President may initially set a schedule, the plenary remains the supreme body that determines the course of proceedings. He notes that the plenary will ultimately decide the direction the impeachment court will take.
Plenary is supreme. It's not the decision or the voice of one member, even if he or she is the Senate President or an officer of the Senate or the House. Desisyon palagi ng plenaryo ang mangingibabaw sa anumang usapin.